Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today on the lecture of the variation of entropy with respect to temperature and pressure, which actually has been selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3, subject Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 2nd, title as Thermodynamics 2nd. May I have your attention please, all the students. First of all, before proceeding our today's lecture, once again I repeat the necessary equations and basic conceptual and doubtful in your minds. In our previous lecture, dear student, we have expressed the same topics and its derivation of fundamental scientific equation, in which entropy is a function of temperature and volume, entropy is a function of temperature and that is of pressure. Dear students, now may I remember to you, for your kind memory, our previous lectures is totally depending upon the entropy as a function of temperature and entropy as a function of pressure, for that is of gaseous state also. Gases, particularly for ideal gases also. I mean to say, in our previous lecture we have derived the necessary equation for ideal gas, the dependency of entropy with respect to temperature and pressure and temperature, that is a volume, and separately. But dear students, in our previous lecture, once again I remember to you, that is the case 1 is also mainly concerned with respect to the entropy as a function of temperature and volume for gas, common gases, solids and liquid also. A very marvelous lecture I will deliver today. Title mentioned on the blackboard, entropy as a function of temperature and that is of a temperature and that is of a pressure also. According to our titles, the topic is applicable for, that is of common for gases, liquids and that is of solids also. So after removing any kinds of confusion in your mind, once again listen to me, dear student. Absolutely, the previous lecture, once again I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and that is of focus, that our previous lecture we expressed for, that is of 1 mole of ideal gas for the dependency of temperature and that is of entropy with temperature and volume, and entropy for that is of temperature and that is of a pressure. Now I deliver today the dependency, the variation, the changing of temperature, entropy of temperature with respect to the pressure. Let us start from, that is of equation number 1, condition number 1, in which entropy, that is a function of temperature and pressure. Equation number 1 I have mentioned on the blackboard, as per condition on the blackboard, as per condition on the titles, in which entropy is a function of temperature and that is of a pressure. Dear students, equation number 1 is per condition of the title, S, that is a function of temperature and pressure, semicolon, equation number that is of 1. Now TD equation of, that is of equation number 1 by fundamental conceptual of thermodynamics, ds is equals to delta S upon delta Tp dt plus delta S upon delta Pt, that is of dP. Say that is of equation number 2. Equation number 2, that is a fundamental equation. Dear students, now one by one steps by applying. Now we proceed equation number 2 by using the definition of enthalpy. In complete derivation of this entropy as a function of temperature and pressure, enthalpy will be used by, that is of 2 important term and condition, in which first one condition, that is of enthalpy by definition is equals to H is equals to U plus V, say equation number 3. In our previous lecture, in that is of unit 1 thermodynamic 1 is titled, I have told to you, enthalpy, that is a state function. It is defined at constant pressure. It is also known as that heat contents, and it is the sum of 3 important physical quantities or state variable, including that is of internal energy U and that is of P and that is of V on transferring and separation of internal energy U is equals to H minus PV, say that is equation number 4. And now on differentiating, equation number 4, du is equals to dH minus PdV minus VdP, say equation number 5. After the differentiation of equation number, that is of 4, du is equals to that is of dH minus P dV minus VdP. I have just defined to you, just taught to you that in overall whole derivation enthalpy will be defined by two important forms, by two important conditions. First one, that is of enthalpy by the definition H is equals to U plus V. Say that is of equation number 3. First form to define enthalpy. Second form to define enthalpy, that is of equation number 6 by the definition of as per by the title of entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. The same condition as per applied in equation number 1, one can write. One can express as that is of enthalpy, that is a function of temperature and pressure. Say that is of equation number 6. Equation number 6, that is the fundamental equation of that is of in the form of enthalpy as equation number 7 and in the form of equation number that is of 2 here. dH is equals to that is of HTP multiply by that is of dt plus delta H upon delta P dP into that is of equation number 7. Now put down equation number 7 in equation number that is of 5. Here I have already tick mark here. We want to solve the next quantity by means of that is of change in enthalpy dH. So dH one can write in the form of equation number 7. I have that is of solved. I have mentioned equation number 7 in the form of TD equation. Now put down equation number 7 in that is of equation number 5. du is equals to dH. dH means HTP dt, that is of plus dt plus delta H upon delta P T dP minus P dV, and that is a minus VdP minus P dV. Rest quantity I have mentioned here as such minus P dV and that is of minus VdP, or dH is equals to that is of HTP dt or HPT dP. Let us, we will solve, we will simplify the next term in that is of coming lecture. Thank you very much.